Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and choosing a template that matches your audience. Templates save time and enforce consistency. Once done, set the slide size to 16:9 or a custom ratio so visuals scale correctly. Next, import core content, charts, images, and any financial forms. Organize them into 3 to 5 sections so you have a clear narrative. Make sure to name each slide with a concise heading. This speeds navigation and helps you maintain flow as you build. Now you construct each slide. Apply a master slide template so fonts, colors, and logos remain consistent across the deck. This prevents time wasted fixing styles later. Then, add your charts and visuals, simplifying data to 3 to 5 points per slide so viewers can read and retain information. Once you place elements, align and group them for clean layout. Finally, apply subtle animations and transitions only where they clarify sequence. Overdoing motion distracts from your message. Finish by rehearsing the slideshow and checking timings so your pacing matches the narration. This reveals crowded slides or unclear visuals. Once satisfied, export a PDF for distribution and package the presentation with linked media, embedding fonts when required to preserve layout. Make sure to test the file on another device or projector. If media fails, reinsert files and relink them. If problems persist, restart PowerPoint and reopen the packaged file. This often resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.